This session, I'll be discussing about BBA 5th semester Business Skill Development course, BSDC, which is all about field study. So it is a great opportunity for an BBA graduate to conduct research. So now we are going to step into learning about who's a researcher and as a student, what research activity you will undertake during the field study. So in the past 4 semesters, you have studied various theory papers. Now it is an opportunity for you to link those theoretical knowledge into observation what you make in field study. So what are the objectives of field study? This will help you to enhance the classroom learning. As I mentioned, you're going to link the theoretical knowledge with practical aspects in the business scenario. And it will help you to learn the context and also have the experiential learning. So it is learning through the process of observation and experimentation. So with this objective, this concept of skill development is introduced. So now what should every student do? So it is the vacation between the 4th and 5th semester. During this period of vacation, you are going to involve yourself in field study. So which field should you take it up? It can be in the field of marketing, human resource management, or business development. If you're interested in finance or entrepreneurship or any other related aspect of management, you can indulge in it. And it is not a group activity, it is an individual field study activity. So you can take an example of market survey. See, in your vicinity or in the area where you reside, there are so many organized and unorganized business. But you always wonder, how do they make their day-to-day business and how do they make their living? So you make a market survey. So if you see a vegetable vendor in the selling in your area, if you observe him, you should know from where does he get the vegetables, at what price does he get, what is his margin or profit, and how does he also involve in savings and also contributing towards welfare of his family. So you can interact with such people. And it's not necessary that you have to go only with organized sector. You can do field study even in unorganized market. So you can study about problems and challenges faced by these unorganized or small entrepreneurs. And you can also take up awareness about banking services. There are so many banks in your vicinity. So you can check about nationalized bank operations or private bank operations or even NBFCs, non-banking finance corporations. So you will study about banking services. You can also check about with your own classmates or friends by undertaking a survey about the quality of education which they are pursuing now. This pandemic has made life so different. Most of our education is happening online, but are the students being satisfied? You can do a survey about it. And if you know certain employees working in garment sector or any kind of business, you can conduct a survey about their satisfaction level. Maybe in the subsequent classes, I will brief you about what is a survey, how do you frame a questions, and the process of conducting these examples which I have stated now. And you can also take up any aspect of legal related business and its function. So field study is going to be of great experience because you're going to step into the stones and realize how opportunities are turned in the market. So this report, when you compile it, the structure of the report is given is first you have to have the introduction aspect of the report, design of the study, where we have to do an exclusive session about each of these chapters. That is, chapter 1 is all about introduction, chapter 2 is design of the study. So I will give you brief guidelines about research methodology in the next subsequent videos. An analysis part, when you compile the data, how do we analyze it? So even that we will be teaching you. As of now, you should know the guidelines relating to what you'll be doing after the field study. Once you've done with your analysis, there is findings and conclusion. Conclusion can be in a paragraph. Findings can be in certain points or bullets. So once you do this, the report writing process will take up. And what will be the scope for marks allocation? As per university guidelines, field study report for which 75 marks will be awarded. For your presentation and viva examination, it is 25 marks. Together, the total marks allocation is 100. So this will enable you to score better, and these are the brief guidelines. So I'm repeating that we need to conduct several sessions about the all 4 chapters for you to take up. So it is not a vacation, it is a time to step into field study. Thank you all.